I went to a free breathwork session yesterday that was being put on by people who were being trained in a teacher training from breathwork. And I wanted to check it out. I wanted to breathe with others. And I feel really sad to say this and to use this as an example, but I keep walking into classes, yoga classes, meditation classes, workshops, trainings, one-on-one sessions, healing sessions with people who have not been either trained around how to offer trauma-informed care or who have been trained and who blatantly disregard it for whatever reason. And I am tired of it. I am sick of it. I am so tired of feeling like I need to walk into these spaces and hold this thing for everyone. And I know I don't have to, and I know I didn't sign up to do that, and nobody's paying me to do that. But it really takes me out of my own experience. And yes, I use it to work with my own triggers and my judgments. But you know what? I shouldn't have to be in that as much as I am. And so what I'm doing is creating a really, really approachable, easy online offering where I'm creating 10 to 15 5-minute videos for anybody who facilitates anything so that they can be more aware of how to hold people. Because while I'm a little judgy right now and a little irritated, I know that for the most part, most people have really good intentions and great hearts and amazing things to offer. And I really want these things that are being offered to be able to truly be gifts to the world. And the reality is there are some things that we don't just intuitively know around helping people feel welcome, helping people feel safe enough. When we're facilitating, we actually have to learn it despite our best intentions. And so I'm going to offer this, and I'm going to offer it for really, really affordable, and I'm going to send it around the world so that more of us who carry a lot of trauma can walk into the places where we want to heal and grow and feel like we can actually receive the gifts that are being offered. Why am I telling you this? Because I want to hear your stories. I want to know from you what has been awesome in classes, one-on-one sessions, trainings, workshops, where you felt really held, really loved, like you were able to feel safe enough to totally receive what was being offered. I want to know what felt really off, what felt scary, frightening, or even just a little off. I also want to know from you as a facilitator of people's healing and growth, because I know many of you are. What are you interested in? What are you curious about? What did you maybe not learn that you think you could learn more about? I want to hear from you. I want to do this course for you, for all of us, for the world. The world needs it. So please shoot me an email and tell me your thoughts on this. And please know it will be 100% confidential. I would never use your name or anything like that. I just want the information from more people besides myself and the people who I see regularly, so that I can hear more and more voices and offer my own voice as someone who has a platform to do that if you're not able to, and give the world more and more of a chance to be a little bit safer for a few more people.